Hello everyone, this is Sayed from Excel Solutions. In this video, we will discuss about the timeline chart. Okay, so how do we utilize the timeline chart for data analysis? I'll explain you very clearly here. Okay, first of all, I'll get some data to Power BI. So I just click on this Excel workbook. Global Superstores is my file name. As usual, I'll take that and I say open this now. So as we know very well, whenever we open that, it will try to establish a connection between your Excel file and the Power BI. So once the connection established, it will show you the file name and how many sheets are available there. For example, these are all the sheets which are available, and I just want to connect with the order sheet now. So I just click on this order sheet because I want to connect with that. And here you can just see the preview of data. Then we load the data now. So loading data, guys, it will take some time depending upon the file size also. It will take few seconds or a minute to load the data. Once the data is loaded, you can just see in the data pane, we have data pane available here. You can just view the data set name there, and how many columns of data is available there. You can view it very clearly there. Okay, it was loaded here. So I got all the columns, 24 columns of data in my sheet. I got it here. Now what I'll do, I'll go to View tab. If you want to change the theme, as usual, I'll change the theme to the black theme. Okay, so this is the theme which I use regularly. And now I'll use some visuals here first. Okay, for example, I'll take one card visual from here. So as we know very well, guys, cards are used to display a single value information. If you want to display the sales, or if you want to display the profit, I mean anything which is single value. Okay, so we can display in the card. So I have a card available here. Okay, I'll take this card. So in this card, for example, from this orders data set, I want to display the entire sales, I mean complete sales from there. So just click on that, you'll get the complete sales into that card. So as per my data, I have 12.64 million sales in my data there. Okay, so here I got 12.64 million. So the font size is very high. I just format it. I'll go to format view visual, call out value here. I'll make the size to 30. Okay, so I have 12.64 million sales there. And if you want to give some color to that, you can have some colors like this. You can apply some colors. And if I wanted to apply some border and all, then you can go to general options. These are all formatting, guys. Okay, general options. I'll go with the effects. I apply some border. So as I'm working with the dark background, so I go with white border there. Then I apply some shadow also. So shadow color also I'll take there. I'll go to the shadow color. So any color which suits here, I can have those colors, any color like this. But I wanted to have inside, okay, not outside. Inside I wanted to have. So you'll have shadow inside there, okay. And here we have the positions available. You can go with bottom, left, right, center. All these options are available. You can use it as per your requirement, okay. As if not required for me, so I'm not using those, okay. So I got one card here. So I'll copy this card. I'll paste it here. Control C, Control V. I'm doing there. So this is my second card, where I'll show some of the profits which are available in my data set. These are the profits available. Again, Control V I'm doing. So here the third card I took here. In this third card, what I'll do, instead of sales, I'll show the uh, discount there. I have 7.33k discount, 1000 discount. So Control V again. I'm taking the fourth card also here. This is my fourth card. Let me adjust them properly. So I'll put it here. I'll put this here. I'll put this here properly. We'll adjust this also. Okay, like this I have four cards. So in the fourth card, instead of taking the sales, I'll take the quantity also. So whenever we are taking the numbers into the cards, what will happen, it always displays in thousand format or million format, because we have a big values available. Every time it will display in thousand or million format. For example, if I don't want to show the thousand format, if I want to show the complete value here, then what we have to do, we have to go to format your visual, go to call out value. Here we have display units available, which will be auto always. Okay, so that I'll change it to, I'll just take this drop down, I'll change it to none there. Okay, you make display units as none, then it will show you the complete value here. Like this, now you can change it to all of those cards. So this is how I display the cards. Now I'll take one other card also, Control V. I'll put that card here to look good to display. So now I'll take the shipping cost into that. Okay, and for example, I'll take one other card also. Okay, where I want to display the for example, I have shipping cost available, sales available, category, subcategory, discount, city. I think profits I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 we have, right? So I can take the quantity to that quantity already took here. So let it be sales only. Okay, so like this, now I have the cards available where I'm displaying the complete sales from my order sales sheet. Okay, and what are the profits available, what are the discounts available, and what are the quantities available. Everything I'm showing very perfectly here. Okay, I'll delete this, I'll put this in between here. Okay, I'm displaying like this. Okay, so the values which I'm showing here is the total values which are available in my data set. Now here I want to analyze it now. So I want to analyze, I mean these sales I want to have it only for as I told in the earlier class also, in the earlier video also, I have data starting from 2012 to 2015. I have a data set available with me. In that now I have complete data. Okay, so now I just wanted to have information only of 2012. Here I have the information of all 5 years. Okay, 4 years, but I wanted to have only for 2012, or for only for 2013, or for only for 2014. Okay, so I wanted to change it according to my requirement. Now I want to have an analysis for that. Okay, so on a click now I should change. For example, I wanted to have data for 2014 August month. I have to get it here promptly. And if I wanted to have data for 2013 January 1st date I want to have, so according to click this has to change, everything has to change now. So this is my requirement. On a click now I want to see the numbers in my dashboard. Now this is my requirement. Now for that, if I do it manually, it will take a longer time, guys. Okay, because I have to go to Excel sheet again, I have to apply some filters over there. For example, if I wanted to have data for 2012, apply filter for 2012. Again, if I wanted to have the sales for January month, apply filter to January month. Like this, now we have to apply more filters. It will take a lot of time. So now I wanted to have in my dashboard, I want to put it very clearly. On a click now it should change everything. If I wanted to have year wise, I should show the data here. If I wanted to have quarter wise, I should show here. If I wanted to have monthly wise, weekly wise, daily wise also, I have to show it here. This is my requirement. Okay, I have to show that. For that, what we have to do, I have to get one chart from the services. Okay, I have online services which are enabled to my system. Okay, there is a chart name called timeline slicer chart is available. So what I'll do, I click on this get more visuals option here. In that I have option called get more visuals here. Click on that. So it will take us to services, Power BI cloud services it will take, where we have nearly about 250 plus charts are available. So you can just see, guys, this blue check mark. Okay, so these are Microsoft certified charts which are available into our services. Here you can search for the chart. So as I told, chart name is timeline slicer. Okay, So you can just see here we have timeline slicer chart is available, and this is Microsoft certified. It was clicked here, so I just click on this. Okay, so I wanted to download it, or I want to add to my list. Okay, so I say add to my list now. So here the list of visualizations available, so it will add to this list here now, that chart. Okay, you can just see it was added, and you get a message also, it was imported successfully here. So now I'll take this visual now. So this is my visual, so I'll drag and drop as per the requirement till here. All right, so now in this what I need to show, I just wanted to show the order dates, because I am working with the scheduled dates now. Okay, so I want to work with the hierarchies now. In date hierarchy we have four things available. One is year wise, the other one is quarter wise, the third one is month wise, and the fourth one is day wise. Okay, so the reason I'm taking this now. Okay, so now you can just see if I want to change the colors, fonts, everything, we'll do some formatting here. I got a slicer chart there. So first of all, I'll go to general options. I'll go with the effects option. I apply some border, and border color I'll take it as some white color there. This is done. Okay, then we'll go with the here we have some background color available, which is black. Okay, if you want to change it to some other color, you can change it to some other color like this. Okay, and if I want to transparency, or I can make it somewhat dim there. It's looking bright. Let it be, no problem. Okay, let it be the same color. Now what I'll do, I'll go to visual options here. So labels are black in color, and the text size is 9 points. Okay, I'll make it as 10 points or 11 points there, so that I can see clearly there. Okay, I can increase it. So now you can just see a slicer was updated. Timeline slicer is updated to my dashboard now. Now you can just see here we have option year available. When you click on year, you have year. I mean we have four buttons available, which is 2012, 13, 14, and 15. Now as I told, I wanted to have data for the year 2013. You just click on that. So according to 2013, your values will change here. If I wanted to have data for 2014, it will change accordingly. Okay, and if I wanted to go with quarter wise, also click on quarters. So I wanted to have data for 2012 quarter 3 sales, I wanted to have, click on that. If I wanted to have 2014 quarter 1 sales, I want to have, click on that. So on every click your labels, I mean your cards information will change here according to this click. Okay, so similarly you can go with month wise, you can go with week wise, and you can go with the day wise also. Okay, we can completely drill down according to our requirement, guys. Okay, so if I wanted to have 2012 quarter 1 January week 1 day 4 sales I wanted to have, click on this one. Okay, you get day 4 sales here. So likewise completely with the hierarchy you can get the information. Okay, you can get the information according to year wise, according to quarter wise, according to month wise, week wise, as per the requirement. You just click on that, accordingly this dashboard will work. This is very simple, guys. If I do it manually every time when somebody asks you, I mean very frequently if they ask you some questions here in this data, so it is very difficult to go and write the formulas, applying filters. It takes a lot of time to us. So instead of doing that, what we do is we insert one timeline slicer there. So according to this click, okay, so timeline slicer automatically connects with the cards which you have, which we are showing here, and as per the click your data will work completely here. Okay, this is year wise, this is quarter wise, this is month wise, this is week wise, and this is day wise. As per your requirement you pick the information from here. I hope I'm clear with this video, guys. Okay, so for more videos please wait for me, and if you like this video please like and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys.